For today's ramen recipe, we're going to first start off with thinly sliced chuck roast, or whatever kind of steak you got. It's always good to have a sharp blade too. Real simple recipe. Our ingredients are going to include kale, chopped mushroom, onion, beef, lime, and soy sauce. For every ramen package, use 2 cups of water. Put the mushrooms in, the onions, and bring to a boil. It's always good to put your seasoning in before the water starts boiling. Stir good to prevent the seasoning from sticking to the bottom. Once the water is boiling, add your soy sauce. Let simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add kale, add ramen, and boil 4 minutes on high. Mix frequently to prevent noodles from sticking to the bottom of the pan as well. Add your beef for the last 30 seconds and boil. Turn everything off, pour it into a bowl, and there's a bowl of goodness. Garnish with 2 limes and your chopsticks. Oh, there we go. That looks good. Yummy.